Hey Tech SEO Pros, I'm super excited for this lesson. It might not be very short, but trust me, after this lesson, you'll understand the HTTP codes so much better. Plus, I'll show you how to check them, the types of HTTP codes, obviously, with a great example that will explain you the differences and nuances between different HTTP codes. And in the end, I'll also show you examples and give you a few pro tips. So let's begin. The example that I came up with, and I think it illustrates HTTP codes so much better than just talking about them, right? So think about HTTP status codes as like signs on the restaurant door. So for example, the 200 HTTP code, it just says, come in, we are open. So whenever Google visits your website or whenever you visit a website, if a page is working correctly, it should return 200 HTTP status code. There are also redirection status codes. So for example, for 301, the sign on the restaurant door would sound like, we permanently moved to a different location. And for 302 is going to be, we moved to a different location, but we'll come back at some point. So this just means that 301 is a permanent redirect and 302 is temporarily. Well, in theory, it's in theory, but in reality, many people just implement 302s instead of 301. So at some point, Google might see 302 as 301.